All right, what's going on? So today I got a product and I'm going to do a little quick review on this product. I got it out of convenience because in the morning I like to add like sugar and creamer to my coffee, but instead of sugar and creamer I decided to add some mass gainer. So this is by Optimum Nutrition. It's Serious Mass is the name of it. Get ready to pause. There was a sticker on this, but let's see, I don't know if it comes out backwards here or not, but it's loaded with calories. Basically, it's a bucket of sugar. They'll call it carbohydrates, but that's what sugar is. You got fat, sugar, protein. This is a big tub of sugar, mostly starch, cornstarch, rice starch, potato starch, maltodextrin, that's what it is, tapioca. Which you can get for like a couple dollars a kilogram, like 60 baht a kilogram. I'm in Thailand. This was ordered on Lazada. Now, it had a fancy wrapper on it of authenticity. I don't know how authentic it is, but no seal on the very top. There's not really much of a smell. It looks like normal. Now the scoop that's in there is mine because it came with this huge bucket. This thing is humongous. It says to take 2 of these heaping scoops. Now, if you want serious calories, serious fat, that's good. But for serious lean gaining, you do not want to take a whole serving of that. Anyway, you want to parcel it out. Like I said, I do it with my coffee. As soon as you dip into it, it's starch. It's just starch. It feels just like starch. If you've ever used starch for anything, it is starchy product. Let's see if you can see it here. I'm just going to do a little taste for you. I'm going to grab this scoop, a glass of water, this much. What a mess I'm making. So, see how it stirs with a spoon. You definitely want to use warmer water. Cold water, it's going to be clumpy. It'll be horribly clumpy. It is clumpy right now too. Probably if I had to shake it a little vigorously, it would definitely help. Let's get a look at it here. You can see it's got plenty of clumps. So it's not an immediate mix. Of course, it's made with cheaper protein and sugar, maltodextrin. Anyway, let's give it a little taste. It's supposed to be vanilla. It's absolutely taste free. It has no taste at all, which is basically what maltodextrin is. It's very much a tasteless, odorless sugar. Yeah, it's got absolutely no taste to it. I'm gonna give this product a thumbs down. No taste. It's a bucket of sugar. It's 245 grams of carbohydrates per serving, and 50 grams of protein. It's got your typical vitamins. It's got a little bit more potassium than it does sodium, and 3 grams of creatine monohydrate, which is that little bit of gritty taste I feel in my mouth. If you're in Thailand, cheaper and probably better would be just to get some protein. This is at the serving of this 50 grams, 8 servings. That's only 400, 5 times. So it's going to be 400 grams of protein in this whole bucket, and the rest is just all sugar. You'd be better to mix Dumex or Carnation baby powder, the baby formula. Mixing that powder with some protein powder, because that powder has all of it's got way more nutrition than this does. And it's already built for bodies that are growing, which is what you're doing. If you're building up, if you're breaking down your muscles and you're building them back up, the carnation and stuff has got all the nutrition you need for growing bodies. So yes, this product, even for its convenience, it's got absolutely no taste. It's not going to make my coffee taste any better. So this is the vanilla. No go on this product. And that's the review for that. And yeah, look at this bucket. Good Lord. At least it's got measurements on it. I could use this for cooking something else. So I got to get a free measuring cup with your order. All right, guys and girls. So that's the review. And
3, 2, 1.
All right, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to give you a review on this product. I decided to give it a try, basically out of just convenience. It's a blooper. Cut that out. All right. So this product